Here's another view of the gorge. As you can see, you have the potential to get quite wet. It is raining very hard today, and it's been raining for 2 days straight. The nice thing about this attraction is it actually gets better with rain, so you don't have to give up a day of your vacation just due to rain. It gets a lot cooler to see. And as you can see also, there's nice trails. They have handrails and everything, but you will want to get a shoe with a nice tread. With anything, water can make it a bit slick. And you might even want to invest in a pair of waterproof hiking shoes if you have those to come to the area. Another fun little fact is this is after 2 days of heavy rain. There's a marker further up that in 2005 it actually flooded all the way up to where you can see the greenery up there. So this obviously wasn't open at that time. One more thing to keep in mind is when you get to the end, you'll climb stairs. I would recommend not exiting and actually turning around and walking back the same way you came. That way you'll get to see the same views more than once, and you'll get shot back out right by your car instead of walking on the road. So we'll give you a few more views here around the corner, and be sure to check back for more on our trip.